Hey guys, and welcome to my video. In today's video, I am opening up the Spring 2020 Causebox. The seasonal subscription comes 4 times a year. It coordinates with the seasons, spring, summer, fall, and winter. The box is full of companies and brands that are socially conscious, they're ethically sourced, they support women entrepreneurs, artisans around the world in an ethical way, and have ingredients that are good for our skin and body. Total in value, it is a $200 value minimum. You can choose to customize this box, but I decided not to customize this year because there was nothing that I really was like, I have to have that one. So this is completely a surprise to me. And we have this gorgeous floral print. There's 2 types of flowers. There's this full flowers here, and then these kind of like more flower bud looking, more greenery on the inside. Our handy dandy little notebook that tells us a lot about the brands. It actually gives you little stories about each brand as well, so you could learn a little bit of why they care about our environment or society or planet as a whole. So first off, I see a cute little necklace here. I'm assuming this was something you could customize. I think I saw this on a spoiler, and whatever the other options were, I don't remember, but I got the necklace. And this is from Fostery. It says fresh, fun, fair, made in Colombia. This necklace was proudly and ethically made by members of a vulnerable population of Medellin in a safe working condition and compensated justly under fair payment policy for labor. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you how long it is. This says it was designed exclusively for Causebox, so that means you cannot go out and buy this. This is what we have here. And I'm gonna just put it on for some sizing. So this is the necklace on its shortest loop. Kind of probably not centered properly. So I'm sure the longest loop would make it pretty low, but I think this is the right size for me. We're gonna leave it on under my hoodie. So this is a sustainable grocery starter kit, set of 5, 100% cotton from Artisan Direct. I like the packaging. There's no plastic. And then these are little bags. So these look like they're for produce. And then this would be maybe for like granola or anything else that you would get in bins. These all have this tear weight right here, which is what's kind of necessary for using them in the grocery store. So something that maybe gets measured in weight, like let's say bananas are like 70 cents per pound. The cashier would subtract this tear weight so that they could actually calculate the weight of your bananas. And it looks like they come in multiple sizes. We have 2 small ones here. Okay, so they're actually different. This one is a little bit longer, the second one, and then this kind of larger one here. And then 2 of this size, so I think this would be used for like granola or nuts from bins if you go to any grocery stores that kind of have that like bin, whatever you call it. And it looks like I have some skincare now. This is from Earth Arbor. Is it Arbor or Harbor? It's Harbor, right? Arbor's like Arbor Day. Okay, Earth Harbor Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream, Seaweed Collagen, and Blue Tansy. It says this is non-toxic, cruelty-free, vegan, no synthetics, no gluten, no GMOs, no soy, woman-owned, fair trade, small batch, handmade by mermaids. There's a vegan hyaluronic acid in here, seaweed collagens are my favorite collagen actually. Lavender, so this does have lavender and it has lavender flower extract and lavender oil. That's a common allergen, so if you are allergic to that, this one would not be for you. Ooh, it smells nice. And you can tell it's handmade by looking at the texture. Ooh, I really like the scent. It's floral, but it's like not. I can't explain what else is coming through there. You definitely smell the lavender, but there's something else. And I can't put my finger on the actual scent. It's maybe like a spice, not cinnamon, but like another like earthy spice, maybe like cloves. And we have a little Bento. Again, I love that they did not use any plastic packaging for this. If you don't know, I'm super obsessed with Japan. Like I don't even want to be a mom, but I kind of just want to have like a child to feed so that I could make them the cute little bento boxes. Like that, it would be, I feel like that would just be like, my life would be complete if I could make a child bento boxes every day, but I just don't want kids, so it's probably not gonna happen for me. But this is so cute. I can make myself bento boxes, you know? It has the like spoon, fork, and knife set here, and then the compartments in the box. You would take this and put it as a cover, and then take this. I'm getting it, hold on. Did I do this backwards? Nope, it's on right. And then see how that like makes it like that. And then you would put that, and you have your full little bento package here. And I'm guessing this stretches enough so that you could go over the whole thing. That's so cute. I think this one was customizable, but you could just get them in different colors. So this part I'm really excited about. It is a crossbody bag. This was also customizable, but you could just customize the color, and I got mine in the color Honey. This is what that looks like size-wise. You can put it next to my head for reference, although I do kind of have a big head. So here's its little tag. It says Pixie Mood, designed with love, 100% cruelty-free, made with vegan materials. 100% of the lining is made from recycled plastic bottles. This is a pretty good size. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. The inside, which I don't think you'll be able to see, but it has little plastic bottles and cups all around the liner. I don't know if I could pull the liner out. I really can't. I love this color green, actually. This is one of my favorite colors, kind of like sea foamy green. I don't feel like this part is recyclable. I will say that Causebox does a better job at having recyclable packaging for their products, and I think this would match like everything. So perfect choice. Next we have a 13-week wellness planner. Achieve more and live better through radical self-care. Goals, gratitude, mood, sleep, meals, and fitness. A little bit about the company is Simple Self was founded in 2019 by Marilyn Davis in Los Angeles, California. Our tools are designed to help you achieve your goals without compromising your health and well-being in the process. Through thoughtful design and a focus on mindfulness, we hope to motivate all women to work towards their dreams while making time for the moments that are just for them. This is pretty good for packaging. One little piece of paper, which is totally recyclable. Week of personal to do, work to do, hours of sleep, overall mood, habits, and rewards. Has some cute little quotes in there too. So it looks like it has weekly. Oh, it also has monthly at the front. Positive self-talk, treat yourself, acts of kindness, don't forget. This is a self-care challenge. This is Calm Mood Mist by Cardia Osset. I hope I said that right. And it says calm is a gentle, natural way to enhance your mood through aromatherapy. Mist when you need a moment of relaxation, which is like literally everybody right now. I hope you guys are taking the time to take care of your mental selves. Meditate or yoga, or like just take moments to read or do something that you really, really love. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. I definitely am not, but I am using my weighted blanket and that is helping. Moving on. Before meditation, on your pillow for a good night's rest. Okay, so this has water, witch hazel water, lavender essential oil, bergamot essential oil, frankincense essential oil, and cocoa glucoside, which I don't know exactly what that is, but I'm assuming it's a coconut derivative. It has kind of like a milky look to it. Even that's kind of soothing, just like watching it move around. So the bottom says, no one likes chemicals. We made this product as natural as possible, so separation will occur. I actually thought that was intentional, like, because it looked really cool. Shake well before use. Okay, I got you. Shake well. We're gonna just spray here. This is very lavender heavy. If you do not like lavender, this is not for you. I don't smell any of the witch hazel though. A lot of people don't like the scent of witch hazel, even though it has like some really good skin properties. I mostly am smelling the lavender. It's pretty strong, to be honest. And last we have our little art card. They always send you a postcard. This one is from Tatiana Boyko. So you wanna know how much my box was worth? Let's start with the first item here, the Pixie Mood Crossbody, which is this guy, and it is a $75 retail value. I can actually get behind that retail value. This feels really good. It feels like thick, it feels strong. I think it's gonna last me a long time. Next, for the go. This is a $29 value. It does feel sturdy, it does feel strong. I'm guessing this is machine washable. Dishwasher and microwave safe for reheating, but not for cooking. Next, from Artisan Direct. So Artisan Direct means that it's artisans around the world. So they're paying an ethical wage to artisans around the world. And it is a $22 value. You get 5 bags. They do feel pretty good quality. They feel like they're also washable if you need to machine wash them. Then we have our Earth Harbor Reparative Eye Cream. And this is a $34 value. I feel like that's pretty standard for eye creams as well. Then we have our Aromatherapy Mood Mist by Cardia Osset, and this is a $30 value. I lost my necklace. Oh no, I'm wearing my necklace. For the necklace, wow. I was like, where did I set the necklace? For the necklace, you could have selected from 2 different items. If you are an annual member, you could select. I am an annual member, but I kind of wanted to be surprised because nothing stood out to me this time. So for that, you could either select this layered necklace or a Super Eye Duo, which was volumizing mascara and brow boosting serum. So the one that I got is a $36 value for this necklace, and it was ethically made in Colombia. For the wellness planner, same thing. There were 2 options. It was either the Simple Self Daily Self Planner, which is the one that I got, for a $30 value, or the Jeannie Earl Wild and Free bandana, which I'm kind of glad I didn't get because I don't think I would wear that. So the artist that created this card, they didn't give us a price for the card, but they do give us a little bit of information from the artist. The name is Tatiana Boyko, originally from Spain and Russia, but says now living in London for the last 5 years. That's where she's from. And then I'm gonna read one more. They ask 6 questions, but I'm gonna read the most important ones. What cause matters to you most? And says, hard to pick one, but I consider it crucial for our planet, the preservation of endemic species and plants. I can get behind that cause as well. All right, that is my box. What did you think? Does it actually make the box more valuable to anybody here watching this video? Does it make it more valuable to you that every single item supports a cause or our environment or ingredients that are good and healthy for us and cruelty-free? Is that important to the viewers? If you could comment down below. I kind of just want to get a feel for what type of audience that I have. It is very meaningful to me that every single item has kind of like a cause story in Causebox. Even when I don't love everything in the box, I at least love the causes that my money is supporting. So I do find that whenever there's an item, which honestly this box, I did not get even one item that I think I won't use. There's definitely been cause boxes in the past though, where I got something and it just wasn't for me. And that happens a lot in subscription boxes. It's part of the subscription box process, like part of that journey where you just have to learn to accept those things. In this box, I feel like it's easier to accept because I can read the little story about the company and be like, wow, they're helping this these artisans in India, or wow, they're like doing spending part of their proceeds for battered women. There's been a lot of causes in the past where I did not love the item of jewelry that I got, but I loved the cause that item of jewelry was supporting. I feel like I'm getting a little choked up, so we're gonna stop talking about that. But let me know personally, how do you feel about all that? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!